Students, my name is Sanjay Bhatnagar. I'm BTech from IIT Roorkee and I teach maths and physics for JEE entrances. As you know, paper of JEE 2, which is basically for architecture entrance, through which you go to various colleges like SPA Delhi, SPA Bhopal, SPA Vijayawada, and NITs. Then you have CCA Chandigarh also. Jamia also through this particular entrance is a very reputed entrance exam, and the maths is of very good level, which is generally higher than that of JEE paper 1 at times. So let's discuss the paper of JEE paper 2 2019, which was held on January 2nd shift. Okay, now look at the first question. The first question is the equation x cube plus e to the power x plus 5 is equal to 0, where x belongs to real numbers, has options are given: exactly one solution, exactly two solutions, infinitely many solutions, and no solution, and the fourth one is exactly one solution. So this question we can answer using graphical method, which I'll explain you as under. See, this is the question, options I have given you. Now what I've done is I've plotted, we have x cube plus e to the power x plus 5 is equal to 0, which I can write as x cube plus 5 is equal to e to the power minus x. And let me take x cube plus 5 as one function, y of x, and the other function, h of x, equal to e to the power minus e to the power x, right? Now the number of solutions of this will be basically the number of point of intersection of the two graphs. So what I'm doing is, first I'm plotting the graph of y is equal to x to the power 3. This is x-axis, the y-axis. Graph of y is equal to x cube is this. And if I add 5 to it, the graph will be now shifted upward by 5 units. As you can see, the graph has shifted upward by 5 units. So the graph is now y is equal to x cube plus 5 ka, okay? Now then I plot the graph of e to the power x. E to the power x is this. E to the power x is basically an increasing function and it is always positive. So graph would be something like this. But we have as such the other function h of x is equal to minus e to the power x, right? So there's a rule that if you multiply a function by negative sign, the function will have its graph shifted downward, in the sense that is it will be mirror image about x-axis. So graph of e to the power x is like this and graph of minus e to the power x would be like this, right? Now what I'm doing is I have two graphs with me, minus e to the power x and the other one is y is equal to x cube plus 5 graph. What I do is now I plot these two graphs together in the same coordinate system. And as you can see, there's only one point of intersection. This is the graph of y is equal to x cube plus 5. This is the graph of y is equal to h equal to e to the power minus x. And these two graphs are intersecting exactly at one point. Therefore, the option is basically the 4. So this equation has basically one solution, right? Okay, guys. So this was the first question of JEE paper 2 2019 January shift, which was held in the afternoon session. Now let's see the next question. The second question is, this is the second question. Just read the second question, guys. A plane has intercepts p minus 1, 1 and p plus 1 on the coordinate axis x, y, z respectively. If the distance of the plane from the origin is 1 by root 3, then the largest value of p is, options are 0, root 2, 2 and root 3. Okay? So this is the question number 2 of the paper 2019 second shift, which was held in January. Now, you all know that equation of a plane in the intercept form, equation of a plane, this is question of 3D, equation of a plane in intercept form is always x by a, y by b, z by c equals to 1. And if p is the distance from the origin or p is the length of perpendicular, the formula would be always 1 by p square equal to 1 by a square plus 1 by b square plus 1 by c square. Now how does this formula come? You know that equation of plane is always ax plus by plus cz minus d is equal to 0, and its distance from the origin is always this formula. So using this formula you get this result. So guys, remember that in entrance examination you have to remember many a result, because time would be the key. Time is extremely important because each and every millisecond, microsecond is very important over there. So here we've been given the length of perpendicular as 1 by root 3, a is p minus 1, b is 1 and c is 1, p plus 1. You simplify the equation. On simplification I get the answer as p is equal to plus minus root 3, and out of these three values, p is equal to 0, p equal to plus minus root 3, the largest value is basically under root 3. Therefore, for this question, the option number 4 is the correct answer. Now let's move to question number 3 of the same paper. Question number 3 is this: the value of summation alpha belongs to S chord alpha, where S is the set alpha lies between pi by 4 not included and 7 by 4, right? And the equation is 4 cos square alpha plus 4 sin square alpha equal to 4 is. And the four options are -1, 1, -3 and 0. Remember that whenever you answer any MCQ, is always advisable that you also have a look at the options. Option किस फॉर्म में दिए हुए, ठीक है? तो सबसे पहले हमें इस इक्वेशन को सॉल्व करना होगा, which is 4 cos square alpha plus 4 sin square alpha equals to 4, and the options are these. तो ऐसा करते हैं, cos square को 1 minus sin square alpha ले लेते हैं, या हम उल्टा भी कर सकते हैं, sin square को 1 minus cos square भी कर सकते हैं. Choice is yours. So let's convert cos square alpha को 1 minus sin square alpha. So when I do that, I get 4 1 minus sin square alpha plus 4 to the power sin square alpha equals to 4, right? And let 4 to the power sin square alpha as x. As a result, this equation reduces to 4 by x, and this is x and equals to 4. I cross multiply and they get the quadratic equation x square minus 4x plus 4, which is basically x minus 2 का whole square. So I get the value of x as 2. अब x हमने क्या लिया था? X was 4 to the power sin square alpha. So let me replace x by 2. So when I do that, I get 4 को मैंने लिखा 2 square, so 2 की power 2 sin square alpha लिखा 2 की power 1. Same basis we can equate the powers. So sin square alpha is 1 by 2, sin alpha is plus minus 1 by root 2. Since alpha belongs to the interval pi by 4 to 7 pi by 4 close interval, pi by 4 include नहीं होगा. As a result, alpha की एक ही value आएगी 7 pi by 4. Since 7 pi by 4 belongs to the second quadrant where chord would be negative, therefore the answer would be -1. And as a result, answer to this question is 1. Correct? If in case you have any other query, you can always post that query on my channel. Then whenever I get the time, I'll be able to answer that question. So I think this is it for the few questions which I've solved. Then I'll post more questions and important questions for JEE paper 2, which is there in the month of February 2021. So I'll keep posting more and more important questions which is going to help you. Thank you very much.